Pakistan Zindabad. Twice that individual, whoever has shouted, he has shouted twice.
Okay.
So that has been confirmed. So based on that, FSL has not said who has said that.
Okay.
They've just said that it has been confirmed and there is no intervention of any kind. It's a straightforward, continuous video that they have examined and they have confirmed that there was a shouting like Pakistan Zindabad. Based on that, we have identified three persons who are very close and looking at the lip movement and so on. The police has confirmed that and arrested three people.
So one of the accused from Haveri, Shafi's photo is there with Nasir Hussain sir. BJP is saying that these are all Congress workers.
No, see, there are Congress sympathizers, Congress workers, Congress office bearers. We don't know anything. Let the police investigate that. Now that case has been registered and they have arrested, produced before the magistrate, the investigation will go on. What comes out of the investigation, I cannot say right now.
So the BJP president have demanded that Mr. Nasir Hussain should be arrested. In this case for the conspiracy.
Whatever BJP says, we have to do, right? No, it is not like that. It doesn't work that way. What is the system? What is the law of the land says? We will definitely work on that.
So why is that FSL report is not being released? Sir? That's the main
No, we
question.
didn't want to. See, 1 or 2 days we had waited because the other reports had to come. Number one. Number two, suppose we release it immediately. There may be so many other factors.